everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to answer again the age problem part 2, grade 7. Okay, number 5 problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times older than his daughter Algin. In 15 years, he will be twice as old as his daughter. What are their present ages? So the problem asking for the present age of Alan and Algin. And there is a lot of confusing words that we're going to translate like 2 more than 3 times. And now, who is the X in this problem? So we're going to determine by using representation. Okay, our solution, our representation, let us assume or let X be the present age of Algin, 3X plus 2 be the present age of Alan. Then, and the problem involved future years. So, we're going to consider this. So, age 15 years from now. So, we're going to add this 15 years to their present age. That's why the age of Algin is X plus 15. And the age of Alan is 3x plus 2 plus 15. And we have other relationship stated in the problem. Alan is 2 more than 3 times the older than his daughter. So in this equation, we're going to, at the left side, our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2x plus 15. This 2x plus 15 came from the other relationship. So at the left side is the age of Alan, and the right side is the age of Algin. So after that, we're going to solve now the equation. Our equation is 3x plus 2 plus 15 equals 2, then x plus 15. Then we're going to simplify 3x plus 15, 2 plus 15 equals 17, then equals, so we're going to apply the distributive property just to remove the parentheses. 2 times x equals 2x, and 15 times 2 equals 30. Then simplify again. We're going to, before we're going to simplify, we're going to transpose all the variables at the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side. So 3x, then we're going to transpose 2x to the left and equals, so we're going to apply the distributive property just to remove the parentheses. 2 times x equals 2x, and 15 times 2 equals 30. Then simplify again. We're going to, before we're going to simplify, we're going to transpose all the variables at the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side. So 3x, then we're going to transpose 2x to the left side, becomes now negative 2x equals 30. Then we're going to transpose the positive 17 to the right side of the equation, becomes now negative 17. And we're going to simplify 3x minus 2x equals x equals 30 minus 17 equals 13. So if we're going to check, the age of Algin is 15 and the age of Alan is 41. It came from 3x plus 2. We're going to substitute 3 times 13 equals 39 plus 2 equals 41. Okay, next problem, number 6. Milan is 2 years older than Jerry. 6 years ago, Jerry's age will be twice Milan's age. How old are they now? So asking for the present age. So solution, our solution is we have to make first representation. Let x be the present age of Jerry because we do not know the age of Jerry. And Marilyn is already identified 2 years older than Jerry, so that's why Jerry is x. That's why our expression is x plus 2 to the present age of Marilyn. And this problem involved past years, so we're going to consider that 6 years ago So that's why the age of Jerry, we're going to subtract. And past years, we're going to subtract from the present age of Jerry. Since Jerry is X, so we have to minus 6 years. The age of Millen, X plus 2 minus 6 also. And we have to look for other relationship stated in the problem. Jerry is equals to age will be twice Millen's age. So the age of Millen, if we're going to minus 2 minus 6 equals negative 4. So that's why our other relationship Jerry is equals to double the difference of x and negative and x and 4. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Teacher Hal. Today our discussion is about the system of linear equation of two variable x and y and by elimination method. This is a part 2. Okay, the problem here, we cannot immediately add the given first equation and second equation, because if we're going to add 2x and 3x, negative y and negative y, there is no variable to be eliminated. So the first thing you do is we have to take a number that if we multiply and the result of the first equation and the second equation is the same, and that we can eliminate. For example, I will my first analyzation is I'm going to multiply this by 3 so that the result is the new equation is 6x. Then negative y times 3 is negative 3y. Then negative 3 times 6 equals 18. Then if we're going to copy this 3x negative y equals to 4, so no variable to be eliminated. So therefore I'm going to take another number that if we're going to multiply this by 2, the result is 6x. But I can't, with addition, the result is 12x. So therefore the possible is negative 2. Okay, 3x times negative 2 equals negative 6x. Possible not to eliminate. And negative 2 times positive y equals positive 2y equals 4 times negative 2 equals negative 8. Okay, then we're going to add. The purpose is eliminated now, the variable x. And negative 3y, positive 2y, so we have to subtract. So the answer is y. Negative. Kasi mas lamang yung negative here. Disregard the sign. Negative 18 minus, positive 18 minus negative 8 is positive 10. The result, negative y, so it should be positive, the result of y. So what we're gonna do is to multiply this by negative 1 or divided by negative 1. So the result now is positive y equals negative 10. So therefore, this is our final value for y. Next, we're going to find the value of x. Find the value of x. Using the equation 1, 6x, x was the value of y. We have now negative 10, then equals 18. Then simplify, we will copy this one, 6x, simplify, we have positive 30. 18. And then transpose becomes 6x, 18 becomes negative 30. Don't forget to change the sign when you transpose to the other side of the equation. You have now negative 12, you have 6x, and then since finding the x, we have to eliminate the 6, both sides divided by 6. That's why the value of our x is negative 2. Then we have to check if our answer is correct before we're going to find our solution set. So using again the equation 1, the new equation, we have 6x negative 3y equals 18. Kahit anong equation pwedeng gamitin to check our answer if it is correct. Okay, 6 was the value of our x, negative 2. And the value of our y is negative 10. 6, negative 2, we have negative 12. Negative, negative, we have positive 30 equals 18. 30 minus 12, we have positive 18. Oh, the same result. Okay, equal now. Since the equation is equal, so our answer is correct. So therefore, our solution set is the x is negative 2 and the y is negative 10. Okay, that's the end of our computation. I hope you learned the elimination method, like this simple example that what if you don't have the same that we can eliminate immediately. So therefore we're going to look for a number, then we're going to multiply it. Then we will have a new result of our equation, and